Good morning, and thank you for joining me, Coach Mike, on your Monday morning. In 1930, the chocolate chip cookie was created to send to servicemen overseas. The Hostess Twinkie was created in 1930 to fill a gap because Strawberry Shortcake was out of season. Fortune magazine, a year after the Great Depression, had its first issue come out. Really? A magazine on wealth after the Depression? And obviously a lot of people must have been crying back then because in 1924 Kleenex were introduced, but in 1929 replaced a handkerchief. Now in 1970, during the oil crisis, GE introduced the first fluorescent light bulb. Now there's a period between 2000 and 2002, which was another market crash, and the iPod was introduced 2 months after 9/11. Crest white strips were introduced in 2000 and quickly reached $200 million in sales. United Fighting Championship, UFC, was sold in 2001, nearly bankrupt for less than $2 million, and was turned around and resold in 2016 for close to $4 billion. And Google, during a dot-com crisis, made a huge run on the exchange. In 2008, there was a company called Mod Pizza that came out of Seattle, Washington, that quickly became the fastest growing franchise in the United States. And another company we're all familiar with is Uber, was created in 2008. Why do I share these stories? It's because right now we're going through a cycle that is forcing us to think a little bit harder, dig a little bit deeper, to really get our businesses going to the next level. And in every situation like this, creates new innovations, new products, new services that can change the world. And it's because people, it's not easy right now. We just can't sit on our laurels and expect the economy to take us for the run. We have to dig deeper, we have to think harder, we have to mastermind and think of how we can serve our product and services better, to deliver to our consumers, to make their life better, make their life easier, so we, as a business owner and an organization, can thrive during an economic crisis that where everybody else is hoping to just survive. So I encourage you to take this, embrace this opportunity to dig deep, to see how you can serve people better. And who knows, you just might come up with the next innovation that will change the world. And I'm really curious to see what comes out of this cycle of what's going to make our world a better place and an easier place to live in. Next week, I'm going to take you on a little journey of how we can really leverage people and leverage our mind to create the ideas to take our business and ourselves to the next level. I hope this has been valuable. Like always, I want to thank you for joining me, Coach Michael, on your Monday morning. I want to wish you a productive and profitable week, and I will see you next Monday. Thank you.